Thank you, Eric. Pursuant to Presidential Proclamation number 124, dated November 26 of 2001, every third week of November is being observed as Drug Awareness Prevention and Control Week to promote awareness against the ill effects of illegal drugs. For this year, the Barkada Contra Droga Federation, in partnership with the Department of Education, Naga Division, and in cooperation with Naga City Dangerous Drugs Board, opted to have this kind of activity. Allow me to emphasize that this activity is a friendly competition. So, lahat po tayo rito ay already winners, especially the participants, as they will impart their know-how for a noble cause. So thank you po sa lahat na nag-exert ng kanilang effort para magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng activity. On that note, and in behalf of the LGU Naga, headed by the Naga City Dangerous Drugs Board Chairman, Mayor Nelson Ligacion, we already have here Councilor Oying Rosales. I would like to welcome you on to the first ever Barkada Contra Droga Intersecondary School Quiz Bee, all about substance abuse competition. Again, maray na hapon po sa inyo, boss.
Ayan, thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful message. Ayan. I myself, the BeeKD Federation President, welcome you all to this afternoon's event. I also acknowledge the presence of our supportive advisors from different schools, from ACLC Naga, Ateneo de Naga University, Balatas National High School, Cararaya National High School, Carolina National High School, Concepcion Pequeña National High School, Del Rosario High School, Leon Mercado High School, Naga City College Foundation Incorporated, the Naga City Montessori School, Naga City Science High School, Naga City School of Arts and Trades, San Isidro High School, Santa Cruz National High School, the STI College Naga, and the Universidad de Santa Isabel. Now to give us a special message from Department of Education Naga, let's all welcome and give him a round of applause, the OICS GOD Chief, Dr. Jobert B. Harvades.
My warmest greetings to Honorable Congressman Gabriel H. Bordado, Jr., ably represented by Sir George Bordado, Jr., of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Honorable Mayor Nelson S. Ligacion, our City Mayor, ably represented by Councilor Oying Rosales, and all the city officials, Mr. Jose B. Importante, the Executive Director of the Naga City Dangerous Drugs Board, Mr. Ricardo V. Siazon, Jr., the President of Barkada contra Doga Naga, guests, coaches, competitors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Due to an equally important event that the superintendent is attending to in Olongapo, he was not able to be around this afternoon, so I am representing his office this afternoon to welcome all of you to this competition. Now, drug prevention and control is one of our top advocacy program and intervention among our students in the Department of Education. Since then, it has been our society's perennial problem. A lot of programs were introduced by the government in partnership with other line agencies to properly address these concerns. These drug prevention programs are designed to provide the education and support necessary to diminish drug dependency in communities, schools, and in workplace as well. Drug abuse prevention has become an important step in informing specific individuals about the dangers of addiction, prevention techniques, and where to find recovery help if it should be deemed necessary. Drug abuse prevention begins with education. Spreading the word regarding the dangers of drug to oneself and to the community. Now, these programs are just the beginning. The information provided is most effective when it is followed up with continued support. Now, drug prevention programs seek to involve the family, the community, or the workplace, or the school in the prevention process. Now, to be effective, communities need to sustain the progress. This often requires continued leadership and, of course, financial support from the government. Drug abuse has a pervasive effect on the entire community. Understanding drug use risk factors and spreading the word through prevention program is the best defense against drug abuse. Parental monitoring has been the most effective way to slow the expansion of drugs in family situations. School drug prevention programs serve as a valuable purpose in first-time users, age 12 to 17. Schools, of course, with strict compliance, rules and counseling support have been successful in reducing usage. The National Institute Against Drug Abuse, or the NIDA, has found the gains resulting from community drug prevention programs far outweigh the financial investment by the community. Programs should make sure to address all aspects of drug abuse. Now, this includes underage use of legal drugs such as alcohol, tobacco, illicit street drugs, inhalants, and the inappropriate use of illegal drugs such as prescription and over-the-counter drugs. These programs must also be tailored to the specific needs of the audience. Having specialized programs for different genders, ages, cultures, ethnicities only make the program more effective. As previously mentioned, drug prevention begins with education. And I repeat, this education can take place at a number of levels, including family-based drug prevention. Number 2, school-based drug abuse prevention programs. And lastly, community-based drug abuse prevention programs and control. Drug abuse is a growing problem, and prevention should be a priority in all our homes and community. May this laudable cause and undertaking serve as our strong campaign to educate the youth on this call to totally eradicate the drug abuse. My kudos to the organizers, and may the best participating school win. For and in behalf of the Schools Division Office of Naga City, together with our Schools Division Superintendent Mariano B. Guzman, my advance congratulations to all of you and good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Doc Jobert Harvades. Yeah, tama si sinabi ni Sir, very precise sa ito. So, now, to give us another special message, let's all welcome, in behalf of Honorable Gabriel Bordado Jr., let's all welcome Mr. George Gabriel Bordado.
Maray na hapon po sa Gabos. Maray na hapon. Dahil na ako ma-English para feel na feel. Pero sa ngunyan na hapon, pinakainutang gibuhon, palakpakan ang Gabos na organizers, as in mga yaon digdiyo na nag-organize, nag-facilitate ka sa Tuyang Quiz B. Sarong tulong bagsak para sa organizers. 1, 2, 3. Salamat po. In behalf po ni Congressman Gabby Bordado, ako si Kuya George. Ako po ngunyan ang napadigdi sa event nindo. Magayunon po paglaog ko, organize na maray ang mga participants, pati po ang mga organizers, para po maikataw sa indo ang gabos na obheto ngunyan na hapon. Ngunyan po, dahil ko na pagparapalawigon ang message ko, maistorya na sana ako. Dikit man lang, mga 5 pages ini. Ako, dahil pa man ako nahaloy na naghali sa eskwelahan. So magkakaedad pa man lang kita. Kakagraduate ko lang kang 2009. So medyo haloy na pala. Tapos may barkada ako, lalaki ini. Kasabay ko sa course na nursing. So yan, barkadahon ko siyang maray. Ining barkada kong ini, medyo pasaway. Medyo pasaway siya. Madali siyang na-judge kang mga kaibanan dahil pasaway nga ni talaga siya, matagas ang payo. Pero dahil, miski matagas ang payo niya, barkadahon ko siya. Ngunyan, pagkatapos ming college, nagsuruway na kami ning landas. Nakapasaman siyang nursing, ako nakapasaman. Pero mga pirang bulan, garo nawaraan na kami ning connection. Nawaraan na kaming connection. Tapos nabaritaan ko, nasa TV na siya. Nakasali pa lang siya duman sa operation. So, dahil inaasahan, napaduman pa lang siya sa bakong marhay na barkada. So, nakasali siya duman sa numero kang nadakop, as in, siguro ng laban. Ayan. May na si barkada ko ngunyan. Anong ibig sabihin ka ini? Ang mga barkada tango niyan, dapat pangatamanan ta. Iyon ni ang mauot kang barkadahan kontra droga. Na dapat sa satuyang mga barkada, hikayaton ta sinda, na sana day sinda magduman sa mga salang desisyon kang buhay. Kaya po nagpapasalamat kami sa opisina ni Congressman Gabby Bordado, sa gabos na organizers, sa NCDDB, sa syudad kang Naga, sa pamamayo ni Mayor Nelson Ligacion, yaon po ngunyan si Konsehal Oying Rosales, ang NCDDB sa pamamayo ni Sir Toti, yaon po ang DepEd sa pamamayo ni Sir Mariano D. Guzman, yaon po si Dr. Jobert, ang sa indo pong mga faculty and mga coaches na yaraon ngunyan. Nagpapasalamat po kita dahil kitang mga kaakian, tigigiyan ninda, nalabanan sa satuyang mga kapasidad ang droga, na sana daiini makaapekto sa satuyang pagbuhay. Dahil ako nagsasawang i-istorya sa kuyang barkada dahil aram ko dahil matatapos duman ang mga nabibiktima kang droga. Igo ang mga masunod. Pero sa adal kan sa iyang buhay, sana mayo nang magsunod sa iya. Iyo man sana po yan, Diyos mabalos po sa Indogabos.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kuya George, for that message and sa experience na din. And now we have here one of our special guests. Let's all welcome the City Councilor, Honorable Oying Rosales.
Thank you, Eric. Ang Federation President kang Barkada kontra Droga. And of course, the Chairman of the Naga City Dangerous Drugs Board, Mr. Toti Importante, my colleague, future colleague, si Mr. George Bordado, who is the son of our 3rd District Representative, and of course, Dr. Jobert from the Department of Education, sa gabus po na participants, organizers, the parents and coaches and teachers, good afternoon to everyone. What best way to promote information and education campaign against drug abuse than to have this Quiz B inter-school organized by the Barkada Contra Droga. In fact, I'm very impressed na ang mga organizers na po, mga hubin pangmaray from the various schools here in Naga na iyo po ang nag-initiate, nag-spearhead kani yung event na ini. And this is the very first. So I'm looking forward na may padagos ini in the years to come. Kaya congratulations, Eric, of course, ably guided by Mr. Tote Importante for organizing this event. Gusto ko pong i-reiterate si sinabi ni Dr. Jobert of the importance of information and education. And nagpapasalamat po kita na ang gobyerno lokal kang Naga, yaon po pirmi ang suporta sa programang ini through the Naga City Dangerous Drugs Board. And I've also heard na ang opisina po ni Congressman Gabi Bordado, igwa naman pong programa on drug prevention, information and education campaign as well. And syempre, ang satuya pong Department of Education. Aramtaman po na ang height po kang campaign ta against drug abuse really started during the time of then President Rodrigo Duterte. And I think it was also the time na nagpuon ini yung Barkada Kontra Droga. And I'm not sure pirang taon na po ining 2007 pa pala. So haloy-haloy na po ining Barkada Kontra Droga, and really the milestones cannot be discounted. So congratulations, Eric, and sa gabus po na nag-organize kayong event. Good afternoon to everyone.
And thank you so much, Honorable Ree. So now may I call on Dr. Jobert P. Narvaez, Dr. Kuya George Gabriel Bordado, and Sir Uying, also Mr. Tote Importante, to award the certificate. Certificate of participation. This is certified, proudly presented to, for actively participating the activity entitled Inter-School Quiz BeeKD Competition, held last November 13 to 19, 2022 at Museo Jesse M. Robredos in celebration of Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Week, given this 18th day of November 2022 at Naga City, Philippines. Ayan, we acknowledge the presence of our Honorable City Councilor. And may we ask a simple message to our Honorable City Councilor, Mr. Lito Del Rosario.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Sa ating pong mga kasama, Councilor Rosales, Mr. Bordado, Dr. Narvaez, Sir Toti, sa mga nandito po sa lahat, at yung mga nandiyan sa labas na nunood sa ating pong programa ngayon. Pinapasabi po ng ating pamahalang lokal through Mayor Nelson Ligacion ang pagbati sa mga nanalo sa ating pong programa ng Barkada Contra Droga. Indeed, we have to collaborate and be advocates against drug addiction. You know, itong menace na ito, hindi lang ito trabaho ng PNP, hindi lang ito trabaho ng PDEA, hindi lang ito trabaho ng each and every one, ano. But ito ay trabaho ng the whole community, hindi lang dito sa Naga, kundi sa buong Pilipinas or even the whole world. Drugs is the clear and present danger sa ating community. It's tandaan niyo ito, it's the clear and present danger. Pag hindi natin ito ginawa ng paraan ngayon, yung nangyayari ngayon sa Mexico, baka pwedeng mangyari din dito sa Pilipinas. So the message of the local government of Naga is very clear. Pagtulungan natin ito lahat para yung mga kabataan natin, kayo mga kabataan, ay mailayo sa droga. Maraming salamat sa mga participants natin. Congratulations at mabuhay tayong lahat.
And thank you so much po, Sir Lito. So now, let's give the certificate of participation to our respectful students here, the participating school. Let me read the citation. May I invite Honorable Uying, Honorable Lito de Rosario, Kuya George, and Doc Jobert to come in front together with Sir Tote Importante to award the certificate, please. Certificate of participation. This certificate is proudly presented to for actively participating in the activity entitled Inter-School Quiz BeeKD Competition held last November 13 to 19, 2022 at Museo Jesse M. Robredo in celebration of Drug Awareness, Prevention, and Control Week, DAPSI. Given this 18th day of November 2022 at Naga City, Philippines, Naga Padangaton Droga Siqualon. Signed by Ricardo Siazon Jr., BeeKD President, Jose B. Importante, Executive Director of Naga City Dangerous Drug Board, and Sir Nelson Ligacion, the City Mayor. This is awarded to AMA Computer Learning Center, Cedric James C. Gonzalvo. Another certificate of participation is awarded to Julian M. San Juan. Same certificate of participation is given to Gabriel Francis Romulo. Same certificate is awarded to Jamaica Luz. Same certificate is awarded to Gian Carlos C. Kalingsagan. Same certificate is awarded to James S. J. San Buenaventura of Cararayan National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Lucene Filipinas Cararayan National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Aleja Bea Andal of Carolina National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Novi Marie Patricio Carolina National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Jessa May T. Mirando of Concepcion Pequeña National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Florence Bermal, Concepcion Pequeña National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Maria Rodelin Bohayo of Del Rosario High School. Same certificate is awarded to Charis Portia of Del Rosario High School. Same certificate of participation is awarded to Precious Rainiel Rapinian of Leon Mercado High School. Same certificate is awarded to Niza de los Reyes of Leon Mercado National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Luis Alex Mipa of Naga College Foundation. Same certificate is awarded to Anne Lorraine Ceron of Naga College Foundation. Same certificate is awarded to Micaela B. Villanueva of Naga City Montessori School. Same certificate is awarded to Clark Daniel Yaba of Naga City Science High School. Same certificate is awarded to Albert A. Caro of Naga City Science High School. Same certificate is awarded to Nina Claire Lazala of Naga City School of Arts and Trades. Sorry. Same certificate is awarded to McLean Felipe Garcia of Naga City School of Arts and Trades. We acknowledge the presence of Ms. Hazel Rose L. Sumpay, the division nurse in charge of. Same certificates awarded to Gary Lee May Lauron of San Isidro High School. Same certificate is awarded to Jana Elosa Benitez of San Isidro High School. Same certificate of participation is awarded to Kenneth Fernandez of STA College, Naga. Same certificate is awarded to Chris Justin Gaspar of STI College, Naga. Same certificate is awarded to Heatherline B. Vargas of Santa Cruz National High School. Same certificate is awarded to Selena Sin Betania Gonzalez of Universidad de Santa Isabel. Same certificate is awarded to Grace Ann Pitogo of Universidad de Santa Isabel. And thank you so much po. You may now take your seat. This is the quiz B proper. Everyone, good luck and congratulations. Sir Oying and Sir Lito, Yeah, thank you so much po. Thank you so much po and good luck sa to. So this is the quiz B proper. The competition is composed of 4 rounds. There are 3 types of questions, namely easy questions worth 1 point, average questions worth 3 points, and difficult questions worth 5 points. In round 1, there will be 15 questions, 5 easy questions, 5 average questions, and 5 difficult questions, with a total of 50 points. In round 2, there will be 10 questions, 5 average questions, and 5 difficult questions, with a total of 40 points. And in round 3, there will be 5 difficult questions, with a total of 25 points. In case of ties, there will be a tiebreaker named do or die. Coaches, participants, live and virtual audiences, listen attentively. Cellular phone, mobile phones, smartwatch, sheet of paper, and any form of cheating is strictly prohibited. During the competition, each participant will be given a marker, whiteboard, and eraser. The quiz master will read the questions twice. After the second reading, the quiz master will give go signal. And thereafter, the 10 seconds timer will begin. After 10 seconds, participants should raise their answer written on a whiteboard. Cheating is not allowed. Warning signs will be given through the use of the following. Yellow flag. This is for the first and final warning. Unnecessary gestures will be included on this. The master of ceremony will call your attention. Next one is the red flag. This is for the disqualification. The contestant will no longer proceed on the competition. Use of prohibited gadgets will require the master of ceremony to call your attention, together with your coaches, advisors, to proceed backstage. If cheating incidents happen, we will automatically change the questions. All the participating schools will join in the first round of the competition. At the end of the round, only top 5 participating schools who get the highest point will advance in the next round. At the end of the round 2, only the top 3 participating schools who get the highest points will advance to the next round. In case of ties, there will be a do or die tiebreaker, wherein the quiz master will give a bonus questions and the first participant to get the correct answers wins. Each and every end of the round, we will give 2 minutes break to tally the scores. Everyone, coaches, participants, live and virtual audiences, good luck. Let me give the floor to our quiz master to start the competition.
Good afternoon, mga kabarkada. I am Malia Heras, and I am with...
I am Ricky Shazon, and we are your quiz master for this Inter-School Quiz BeeKD 2022. Before we officially begin our contest, let me have the roll call for our participating schools. Starting off with the AMA Computer Learning Center, or ACLC Naga.
Ateneo de Naga University.
Banatas National High School.
Cararaya National High School.
Carolina National High School.
Concepcion Pequeña National High School.
Del Rosario High School,
Leon Q. Mercado High School,
Naga College Foundation Incorporated,
Naga City Montessori School,
Naga City Science High School,
Naga City School of Arts and Trades, San Isidro High School,
Santa Cruz National High School,
STI College Naga.
and Universidad de Santa Isabel. To all the contestants, we wish you all the best of luck. Huwag kayong masyadong kabahan and relax lang kayo para makasagot kayo ng tama, okay?
And reminder to all our contestants, for transparency purposes, huwag muna po ibababa ang boards hanggat hindi po nare-recognize ang inyong mga sagot.
Tama yan, mga kabarkada. The Interschool Quiz B will focus on the Republic Act number 9615, otherwise known as the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002.
We start with round 1. We will read the questions twice and the options once. Again, we will read the questions twice and the options once, so listen carefully. After reading the options, we will give you a go signal, and hereafter, the timer will begin, and only then may you begin answering. When the allotted time has passed, you should raise your answers written on the board. We will be asking 15 questions for round 1. 5 easy questions worth 1 point each, 5 average questions worth 3 points each, 5 difficult questions worth 5 points each, and another question worth 5 points, with a total of 50 points. The points you earned in the first round will be added to the points you will earn in the second round. However, in the third round, points will be reset to 0.
We hope you pay attention to the warning rules. Please be careful. With that said, contestants, are we now ready? All right, let's begin. Round 1, multiple choice, easy questions. The first question, what are the 3 parts of the brain that are affected by substance use? What are the 3 parts of the brain that are affected by substance use? A, cerebellum, cerebrum, and brainstem. B, limbic system, brainstem, and cerebral cortex. C, cerebral, limbic, and cortex. And D, none of the above. Your timer starts now. Boards up. All right. The correct answer is letter B. Limbic system, brainstem, and cerebral cortex. Raise your answers. So we have the Ateneo de Naga University. All right. The Leon Q. Mercado High School, Balatas National High School, STI College Naga. Thank you so much. And the limbic system is involved in homeostasis, memory, emotions, olfactions, and many other physiological functions. The brainstem regulates cardiac and respiratory function, helping to control heart rate and breathing rate. The cerebral cortex plays a key role in attention, perception, awareness, thought, memory, language, and consciousness.
Let's proceed to the next question. This is a state of adaptation to a specific psychoactive substance. This is a state of adaptation to a specific psychoactive substance. A. Physiological dependence. B. Drug dependence. C. Alcohol. D. Cocaine. Timer starts now. Boards up. The correct answer is letter A, physiological dependence.
Please raise your board. Leon Mercado, Del Rosario, NCF, Concepcion Pequeña, Montessori, Santa Cruz got the correct answers.
Trivia. It means that someone not only feels as though they need drugs or alcohol to function, but experience a physical need for the substance too. Let's proceed to the next question.
The third question. This is linked to the group of brain structures that provide reward for life-sustaining activities. This is linked to the group of brain structures that provide reward for life-sustaining activities. A. Brain circuit. B. Brainstem. C. Reward circuit. And D. Serotonin. Timer starts now. Boards up. The correct answer is letter C, reward circuit.
Please raise your whiteboard. Cararayan High School, NCF, Universidad de Santa Isabel got the correct answer.
So the reward circuit, it is a group of neutral structures responsible for incentive salience. Example is wanting or desire or craving for a reward and motivation. So let's proceed to the next question.
This refers to a health problem, a chronic relapsing brain disease, and a chronic disease that is not curable but manageable. This refers to a health problem, a chronic relapsing brain disease, and a chronic disease that is not curable but manageable. A. Drug dependence. B. Addiction. C. Drug addiction. D. All of the above. Timer starts now. Boards up. The correct answer is letter B, addiction.
Wait, can you please raise it? Wag na muna pong ibababa once di pa nare-recognize yung schools. We have USI, ACLC, STI, got the correct answers.
Trivia. Addiction is a chronic dysfunction of the brain system that involves reward, motivation, and memory. It's about the way your body craves a substance or behavior, especially if it causes a compulsive or obsessive pursuit of reward and lack of concern over consequences.
For the fifth question, under the Article 4, Section 42 of the Republic Act 9165, student councils and campus organizations shall include in their activities. Under Section 4, Section 42 of the Republic Act 9165, student councils and student organizations shall include in their activities: A, to conduct an inventory of drug personalities in school. B, extend assistance to law enforcement agencies during drug operation. C, a program for the prevention of the use of dangerous drugs. And letter D, all of the above. Timer starts now. Boards up. The correct answer is letter A. Letter C. A
Please-
program for the prevention of the use of the dangerous drugs.
Everyone got the correct answer except Del Rosario High School.
The Article 4, Section 42 of the Republic Act 9165, or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, focuses on the student councils and campus organizations in elementary, secondary, and tertiary schools, which impose activities and a program for the prevention of and deterrence in the use of dangerous drugs.
At this moment, let's proceed to the average questions in round 1, multiple choice. Question number 1. This is an illness that is characterized by preoccupation with loss of control over its consumption. This is an illness that is characterized by preoccupation with loss of control over its consumption. A, nepotism. B, mescaline. C, amphetamine. D, alcoholism. Timer starts now. Boards up. The correct answer is letter D, alcoholism.
One moment, please. We have a yellow flag. STA College first and final warning. The correct answer is letter D, alcoholism. Concepcion Pequeña, one moment please. NCF first and final warning. Concepcion Pequeña got the correct answer. Montessori School. And Naga City Sai and CSAT got the correct answer.
Trivia. Alcoholism has been known by a variety of terms, including alcohol abuse and alcohol dependence. It occurs when you drink so much that your body eventually becomes dependent on or addicted to alcohol.
Let's proceed to question number 2. This is a kind of drug that pertains to a person's mood, thoughts, and behavior are greatly affected by its billions of neurons. This is a kind of drug that pertains to a person's mood, thoughts, and behavior are greatly affected with its billions of neurons. A, marijuana, B, ecstasy, C, cocaine, D, shabu. Timer starts now.